Guys, so Michael with another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to change your flint inside your Zippo lighter. The flint is right there, right underneath the wheel. It allows the spark to go to the wick, like this. And turn it on. If you don't have any fluid, you'll just get that. That's the flint will go in. See a little smoke. So today we're going to teach you how to change it. I still have the serial number on it because I didn't want to take it off or scratch it'll like leave a little residue on it. So I'm going to put the camera on its stand. Let's get going. So what you first want to do, get your lighter, take it out, and you lift this hinge here and it comes out. But people know, well, I guess they know, you can use this part of the lighter to unscrew the top of the screw bar thingy, whatever. So you're just gonna screw it off until it pops out. Oops. Not again. Okay. Try to do this with one hand here, because like this stand is not working with me. There. Okay, so damn it. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about the light. It's just that I have this. Let me turn that off. Oh wait, no. Wait. Keeps on falling, guys. There. So basically, you're just going to want to keep on unscrewing it. And you can also use your fingers. See, that popped out. Pull it out. Take the old flint out. There you go. Get your new flint. A lot of you guys might already know how to do this, but I'm doing it for the people who don't know how to do it. You're just going to want to simply grab your flint and just put it in there like this. Drop it in until you see it coming out of the lighter like that. And I know this camera doesn't really do a good job autofocusing, but that's fine. And then you're going to want to put the spring back in. Simply screw it back on. And you can use your casing to screw it in. Tighten it, I mean. And then we're also going to be putting fluid in it. So yeah, this one's a new one. There you go. That is, we're going to be filling this one, just because. So that's how to change your flint. Now, if you haven't seen my video on how to put fluid in your brand new lighter, check that out. Got a little bit of fluid on me, but that's fine. And if you do get fluid on you, you just can run your finger against the flame. So that is how to change your flint in your brand new Zippo lighter. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Move the pin out.